Hello everyone, I am Nikita Nayak from Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. In previous video lecture, we have learnt about geometric mean. Today we are going to learn about harmonic mean. What is harmonic mean? Harmonic mean is reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of observations. Right? Case 1. If x1, x2 up to xn are n observations, then harmonic mean equal to 1 over n summation I equal to 1 to n 1 over xn, where small n is number of observations, equal to, we know that denominator become numerator, so 1 over n equal to n over here series from I equal to 1 to n. So now substitute I equal to 1, we get 1 over x1 plus I equal to 2, that is 1 over x2 plus up to plus I equal to n, so 1 over xn. Now let us consider one example. Find harmonic mean for the data. Data given 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now total number of data is 5. So our small n equal to 5 and consider x1 equal to 11, x2 equal to 12, x3 equal to 13, x4 equal to 14 and x5 equal to 15. As we know, harmonic mean equal to n over 1 over x1 plus 1 over x2 plus 1 over x3 plus 1 over x4 plus 1 over x5, because here small n equal to 5. Now small n equal to 5 over x1 11, that is 1 over 11, x2 is 12, so 1 over 12 plus 1 over 13 plus 1 over 14 plus x5, that is 15, that is 1 over 15. Now using the calculator, 1 over 11 is 0.0909, 1 over 12 is 0.0833, 1 over 13 is 0.0769, 1 over 14 is 0.0719, 1 over 15 is 0.0667. So summation of all these terms is 0.3897. So we have harmonic mean equal to 5 over 0.3897 equal to 12.8304. So harmonic mean equal to 12.8304. Now case 2. Whenever we have given simple frequency distribution, then how to find harmonic mean? If we have given simple frequency distribution, then harmonic mean equal to capital N over summation I equal to 1 to small n fi over xn, where capital N equal to summation I equal to 1 to n fi. Fi is frequency and small n equal to total number of data. Now let us consider one example. Find harmonic mean for the data. We have given x and f. X equal to 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. F is 3, 4, 5, 6 and 2. Now here total number of data equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our small n equal to 5. Now our formula for harmonic mean for simple frequency distribution is harmonic mean equal to capital N over summation I equal to 1 to small n, but here our n equal to 5. So we write n equal to 5, fi over xi. So first of all we have to find capital N. Capital N is nothing but the summation fi. So let us consider the table xi, fi and third one is fi over xi. So xi is given 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25 and fi is given 3, 4, 5, 6 and 2. Now we have to find fi over xi using the calculator. So first one is 3 over 5 equal to 0.6. Second one 4 over 10 equal to 0.4. Next is 5 over 50 equal to 0.3333. Next one is 6 over 20 equal to 0.3 and last one is 2 over 25 equal to 0.08. Now here we need capital N, that is summation fi. summation fi. Summation fi is the sum of all fi's, which equal to 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 2 equal to 20. And summation fi over xi equal to sum of all fi over xi. Here we have find fi over xi as 3 by 5, that is 0.6, right? Now all fi over xi is 0.6 plus 0.4 plus 0.3333 plus 0.3 plus 0.08 equal to 1.713. So summation I equal to 1 to 5 fi over xi equal to 1.713. Now our formula becomes capital N equal to, we already find 20. So 20 over summation I equal to 1 to 5 fi over xi is 1.713. So 20 over 1.713 equal to 11.6754. So our harmonic mean becomes 11.6754. This is our case 2 when we have given simple frequency distribution. Now case 3, we have given group frequency distribution. If we have given group frequency distribution, then how to find harmonic mean? If we have given group frequency distribution, then harmonic mean equal to capital N over summation I equal to 1 to small n fi over xi, where capital N equal to summation I equal to 1 to n fi. Fi is frequency and x is taken as class mark for equal class, and small n is nothing but the total number of data. In case 2 and case 3, formulas are same, but in case 3 we have given class marks or class intervals. Let us consider one example. Find harmonic mean for the following distribution. Here we have given marks in class intervals and number of students. Marks are 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90 and 90 to 100. And students are 12, 10, 15, 17, 8 and 3. Now our formula for harmonic mean, if we have given group frequency distribution, equal to harmonic mean equal to capital N over summation I equal to 1 to 6 fi over xi. Here 6 because total number of data is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and capital N and summation fi over xi are determined from table. Now let us consider one table. Marks, second one is FR. Okay, here we have given class mark. Is it possible to multiply class mark with frequency? No. So first of all we have to find mean value xi. How to find mean value xi? The mean value is nothing but the average of the class marks. So we have to find mean value as upper limit plus lower limit by 2. So here 40 is our lower limit, 50 is our upper limit, and average of upper limit and lower limit, which is 90 by 2 equal to 45. So our first mean value is 45. Now second one is 50 to 60. So mean value is 50 plus 60 by 2 equal to 110 by 2 equal to 55. So second mean value is 55. Third one is 60 to 70. So 60 plus 70 by 2 equal to 130 by 2 equal to 65. Fourth one is 70 to 80. That is 70 plus 80 by 2 is equal to 150 by 2 equal to 75. Fifth one is 80 to 90. So 80 plus 90 by 2 equal to 170 by 2 equal to 85. And next one is 90 to 100. So 190 over 2 equal to 95. This is our mid value xi. Now fi we already have given 12, 10, 15, 17, 8 and 3. Here we need fi over xi. So we have to find fi over xi. Now our fi is 12 and xi is 45. So f1 over x1 equal over 85 is 0.0941 and last one is 3 over 95 equal to 0.0316. Now here we need capital N, and capital N is nothing but the summation Fi, and summation Fi is sum of all Fi's, which equal to 12 plus 10 plus 15 plus 17 plus 8 plus 3 equal to 65. Summation Fi by Xi is nothing but the sum of all Fi by Xi is equal to 0.2667 plus 0.1818 plus 0.2308 plus 0.2267 plus 0.0941 plus 0.0316 equal to 1.0317, which is our summation Fi over Xi. Here total number of data equal to 6. So our small n equal to 6. So in our formula, our summation I equal to 1 to n becomes I equal to 1 to 6 Fi over Xi. Now already we have capital N, which is summation Fi equal to 65. So harmonic mean becomes 65 over summation Fi by Xi is 1.0317. So 65 over 1.0317 equal to 63.0028. So our harmonic mean becomes 63.0028. In next video lecture, we will learn about median. Thank you.